Um, I'm Freddie Brown. I got a new trash pack, and it's a pack of 5. This is my. I do Ricky Sticky videos, but these are trashies. These are all the ones. I'm hoping to get him.
Please, yeah.
On yellow green, and
It does his video.
it gives you a clue which one because that's green. He's orange and that's the orange one. So
I'll put Mama.
open this.
Ooh. You'll get into that all right.
Aha. Here you go. Then can you do this? I did it. Let me just
There we are.
open my thing. So we'll do this one.
And these are all trash cans, are they?
Whoa. Yeah. I really love this one. He is called Monster.
Hold him up to the camera.
Back a bit.
So that's
He's
one.
keen.
And just close.
He's
This
keen.
one.
Right.
Oh, he is. I don't remember what his name is. Yeah, Boogie Bagel. So that's his bin.
Hold him up to camera.
Oh, yes, forgot. Do you like him?
You have to describe him.
He's like a belly button, but he's a donut. I'll do this one next. Oh, I got him the same colour as well. He is just tight. I don't really know who he's called. So, that is a dupe. Whatever it's called. Dupe, yes. I hope these ones are new. So just, hey, I really love him. Been hoping to get him. Crazy, a crazy bird. He's so cool.
What's his name?
Oh, I don't really know. I'll just have a look on here. Oh, here's the checklist. Just open it up. It's getting crazy. I can't even open this up. It's crazy. It's like it's dancing.
Do you want me to have a look at that while you open the other one?
Yes.
And I'll find out what his name is.
Yeah.
And you've got to talk to the people who are watching the video. Come on, go around there. I'll do it. You go around there. You've got to talk about the other one. Talk about them. Describe him.
Well, he has a long stick now. See? Does he? He has claws, wings, like that, and a hole. Every single one has a hole. So they can. Who's he called? Just a minute.
Vulgar.
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 Vulgar. Cool. Hey.
And the last one.
Yeah.
I hope this is good. Oh my god. He is brilliant. I love him.
What's that one? Hold it up to the camera so everybody can see.
He's a Bulbasaur. Let me have a look.
You need to go there in front of the camera because it's not much fun for the people watching if you're not talking to them.
Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I can see it, Daddy, but this one's a blue one.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti! Okay. Just put this one back. He's cool. He's a cool. Spaghetti. These are cool, aren't they?
Right, what are you going to say then?
I'll just put this one there. And that one there. And that's all of the exclusive trashies today. Bye!